I welcome you everybody to the class of data structure where we'll see different operation on single linked list. In previous class, we have seen what is linked list and how to create single linked list. Perhaps in the previous class, I have made some mistake that when you create the node of a single linked list, you have to give the value to each members of the node by using dot operator. Actually, when you create the node of the single linked list by using dynamic memory allocation, it returns a pointer type and you are having a fresh pointer or p pointer which is holding the address of the newly created node. There when you want to give the values to each member of the node, you have to use the arrow operator, because two ways are there to give the values to the node of a single linked list. As it is a structure, you can give the values to each member of the structure in two ways. One is by using dot operator. If structure variable is a simple variable, and if the structure variable is a pointer variable, you can give the values by using arrow operator. So here structure variable is a pointer because you are creating dynamically the memory. So here you have to give the value by using arrow operator. So here we'll see insertion at the beginning of the single linked list. Suppose you are having a single linked list here. You want to insert this linked list, another node, this node at the beginning. That means here. So how to do this problem? So here you have to give the start value. Start is a pointer which hold the address of the first node of the single linked list. Here start is having value 1000 because the node 1000 is the first node, and then is the node 2000, then the node 3000, then the node is 4000. 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000 are the addresses of the each node. So here the start pointer contains the value 1000. So this is a pointer which is of type struct node also. So here when you want to give want to insert this node at the beginning, so here what to do? So you have to keep here value 1000 because it needs to point to this node, and then instead of 1000 the start node should contain 5000. It is very simple. So now insertion takes place and this will disappear. That means here start node having the address of this node, as this will be the first node, and the link part of this node will hold the address of of this node. So now it is inserted at the beginning. We'll see its pseudocode. So pseudocode for insertion at the beginning of the single linked list. So here you are having the node struct node which is having two parts. One is the information part, data part. Another is a link part which is a self-referential. This is a self-referential structure. That means this link will contain the address of next node. So here we'll write void main. So inside main we'll have to some pointers of structure type. The struct node asterisk phrase. Suppose phrase will be a pointer which will hold the address of the dynamically created first node, phrase node. And also we need another pointer. Here there is no need of any other pointer, I think. We'll see it later. So suppose here dynamically will create the phrase equals to struct node asterisk malloc size of struct node. In this way you will create the dynamically the memory block which address is there in the phrase node. After that you have to check that whether the dynamically the memory is allocated or not. You have to check the phrase value. If phrase equals to null, that means the dynamically memory is not created. That is memory is not sufficient. Okay. If phrase equals to null, that means memory is not created because insufficient memory is there. If not, else it is created. So if it is created, then you can give the values to the phrase. So then phrase is having two part. One will be info, two member, one is info, another is link. So phrase info is equals to value, जो भी value you want to give to this info, and the phrase link is equals to null. That means here you have to give some value to the phrase info. This value, maybe you have some static value, you are giving this value to the phrase info, or you can dynamically take the value by using scanf, whatever. But you have to use this arrow operator, that I am saying, because phrase is a pointer which is struct node type pointer. Using a pointer you can give values to a structure by using arrow operator. So phrase arrow item, phrase link null. So this phrase node is created. After that you have to insert this node at the beginning of the linked list. So then you have to check the start value. So I am not creating here the linked list. I am supposing that there is a linked list. So I'll check the start value. So here also you need another pointer, start pointer, start asterisk start. Sorry, asterisk start. You need another pointer. So you have to check the value of the start. If start equals to null, that means the linked list has not been created yet. So simply you have to write start equals to phrase. So this is okay. This will be the phrase node will be the first node. If start is not null, that means there is some node in the linked list. So here you have to write what phrase link is equals to start. So start initially contains the node of the first node. Now phrase link will contain the address of that node, and start will be changed. Start will be equals to phrase. So start will contain the value which is having phrase. So phrase pointer is having the value of the freshly created node. Value means the address value of the freshly created node, and that address value will go to start. Over. Now in this way the node has been inserted at the beginning of the single linked list. Thank you. In next class we'll see other operations.